Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to leave a like, don't forget to sub, don't forget to leave a question in the comment section if you've got a question. So last video we did an introduction to matrices. So today we're going to learn how we can do some operations using matrices like addition and subtraction. Well, addition and subtraction of matrices is quite simple. It's not complicated. All you need to know is to first identify the dimension of the matrix. We can have a 2 by 3 matrix, a 3 by 2 matrix, a 4 by 4 matrix, and so on. But in this case, you will learn how to add matrices and subtract them. Say for instance you've got a matrix A given as 5, 2, 4, 9, 10, -3, and the matrix B given as -11, 0, 7, -6, 1, -8. You have these two matrices, and then a question comes as A plus B. Find A plus B. It's quite simple. First thing you do is to identify the matrices you have. So this matrix A, is a 3 by 2 matrix. This matrix is also a 3 by 2 matrix. So since the dimensions are the same, it's possible for us to add these matrices. That's the first thing you have to keep in mind. So how does this adding take place? You use the corresponding elements. So in this case, it's going to be 5 plus -11, 4 plus 7. As you can see, 4 is corresponding with 7, and 10 plus -6. Then 2 is corresponding with 0, so it's 2 plus 0. It's 9 plus 1, because those two are corresponding. And lastly, -3 plus -8. Now the addition is simple. As you can see, our final matrices will be A plus B is equal to -5 plus -11 will give us -6. 4 plus 7 will give us 11. Then 10 plus -6 will give us 4. I hope you're following. Then 2 plus 0 will give us 2. 9 plus 1 will give us 10. And -3 plus -8 will give us a -11. It's as simple as that. That's how adding of matrices works. But note that if the dimensions differ, then addition cannot happen. Here's an example. We've got a matrix A as 7, 9, 2, 7, 8, 1, and matrix B as 2, 3, 8, 9, 0, 3. If you identify this matrix, you will see that this matrix is a 3 by 2 matrix. If you identify this matrix, you can see that this is a 2 by 3 matrix. So since the dimensions differ, it means adding of these matrices is impossible. It cannot take place. You should always remember that. Okay, now how does subtracting take place? So we do subtraction. Say we've got the matrix A, matrix A, 7, 3, 5, 9, 11, -2, and a matrix B given -3, 0, 8, 1, -3, -4. The subtraction of these matrices, say you're given a question like A minus B in an exam room or in a test, you have to remember that these matrices should be first identified. So matrix A is a 3 by 2 matrix. Matrix B is a 3 by 2 matrix. So which means that addition and subtraction can actually happen. Alright, now let's solve for A minus B. So we'll do the same as we did with addition. So 7 is corresponding with -3, so it will be 7 minus -3. As you notice here, we are dealing with subtraction, so there's a negative sign there. Then 5 is corresponding with -8, with 8, so it will be 5 minus 8. Then you can see that 11 is corresponding with -3, so it will be 11 minus -3. I hope you're following. Then we've got 3 corresponding with 0, so it will be 3 minus 0. Then 9 is corresponding with 1, so it will be 9 minus 1. 9 minus 1. Then -2 is corresponding with -4, so it will be -2 minus -4. Okay, so if you subtract these, the final will be such that A minus B is equal to 7 minus -3 is equal to 10. 5 minus 8 is equal to -3. 11 minus -3 is equal to 14. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3. 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. And -2 minus -4 is equal to 2. And that's how we add and subtract matrices. Matrices are quite simple. They are not difficult. In our next video, we'll deal with multiplication of matrices. Don't forget to leave a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share with someone who might need this information. Thank you for watching.